Want to change the auto lock settings on your iPhone? Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Next, tap Auto Lock. You'll see several time options, such as 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and never, depending on your iPhone and settings. Simply tap the time you want to use. Your selection will be applied immediately, and your iPhone will automatically lock after the amount of time you selected when it's not in use. If you can't change the auto lock setting, or it's grayed out, make sure low power mode is turned off by going to Settings, then Battery, and turning off low power mode. And that's it. You've successfully changed the auto lock settings on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.